In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Crayo AI to download any YouTube video, make quick edits and enhancements, and generate a new YouTube video in just a few moments. On the left side panel, you will find a variety of tools available for use. Select the YouTube downloader. A screen will appear prompting you to paste the URL of the YouTube video you'd like to download. Navigate to YouTube and search for a Shorts video. Click on the video and copy the URL. Return to Crayo AI, paste the URL into the video link text box, and click Download. Crayo AI will process the video for download. Once the video is ready, click Download. Next, navigate to the Crayo editor. Upload the video to the editor. Add the video to your project. At this stage, you can begin making modifications to the video. I will also add some text to the video. For this example, I will mute the original sound. Next, I'll replace the original sound with a stock music track. Edit the sound clip to match the length of the video. Finally, export the video and give it a name. Here is the final result. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you'd like to try Crayo AI, you can find the link in the description below.